Okay, hello everyone. My name is Arcadio Cortez. I am language teacher at Una University. For this exercise, I select the video. This is the word job interview, talking from Fast Comedy, that is Fast Company's Letters YouTube series. This video is about a job interview where the interviewer contradicts his own speech. These characters are the interviewer, the interviewee, and a man called Steve. The Steve interviewer received to the person who was going to present the interview and thank her for having gone. The interviewee thanks him for having her and told him that her resume was there. The interviewer told the interview that they were looking for someone who had a lot of experience in a word. The interview told her that she thought it was an entry-level position. The interviewer answered that yes, entry-level with experience. They were looking for someone who was really a team player but could also work independently. He also told him that the person filling this position should be someone with a lot of initiative, who should not write the book, who should not steer things up but should make decisions cautiously, who should take risks and who should follow the rules as well. He told her that they didn't like to micromanage over there, but that they would require hourly status updates, that he was doing it by video chat and they was keeping it open. And Stanley, the interviewee, great Steve by video call and Steve asked him what he was doing. He replied that they were in the interview right at the moment and he just wanted to give him an update on that. He told the girl to say hello to Steve, so which she replied, Steve. The interviewer kept telling the girl that they were looking for someone confident but no overconfident, innovative but traditional and easy to work with but the will a bit of the an age. He told her that they thought they were looking for someone who was a reliable maverick, which was the best way he could soon up the position. It was effectively an entry-level position with experience so that the bid would reflect that, but they had a lot of great sandwich in the kitchen. To finish, the interviewer, who was still on the video call with Steve, told him that the girl and gone, the Steve say shit.